Against the fury of the storm, the team prepares for the most dangerous salvage operation ever attempted.
Move that 2 inches to the right. How does that look? Looks good, secure it.
Chocks are in place on the left side.
Copy that. Moving to secure the rear stand now.
Stand locked. Confirmed stable.
right, pull it tight now.
Holding it steady.
Watch that coil on the right.
That concludes the briefing. All hands, check your stations and proceed with hangering procedures.
Is that hose connected to the blue unit yet?
Almost. Need another few feet uncoiled.
Cleaning is complete, but the substrate is heavily oxidized.
Confirmed. The fuselage plating needs extensive repair here.
Easy, lower it slow. Hold it steady. Watch the alignment.
Lift point Alpha secure.
Bravo point clear, thumbs up.
Charlie point confirmed. Ready for tension.
Tensioning the lines now. Clear to lift, bring it up slow.
Swinger right, slow and steady. Holding tension, coming right. Almost aligned with the mounts, easy. Confirming final placement. Are we secure? All green, Captain. Straps are locked.
All right, last push. Secure that contact point. Solid contact. It's locked in. I'm getting 42 mils here.
Okay, that's below tolerance. Designating this entire bay as a yellow zone.
Hold steady. Lowering now.
Watch the alignment pin.
Contact. Secure the fasteners.
Is that aligned on your end? Hold it steady. I'm securing the bolts now. Gear extension cycle initiated.
Indication shows downlock engaged.
Roger that. Downlock confirmed. Easy, easy. Watch the alignment pins. It's in.
Secure the forward mounts.
Forward mounts locked.
Meter reading 28 volts on bus 1. How's the schematic look?
Schematic confirms continuity. Pumps are online. Pressure is stable.
Flight controls checked. Ailerons full deflection. Elevators full deflection. Checks complete. Tags clear. Roger that. Initiating startup sequence.
We did it, team! Flawless execution!
Amazing flight. Welcome back, Commander. You crushed it out there.
Hearing a slight hiss on the hydraulic line here.
Noted. All bolts torqued to spec on this side.
Our skilled craftsmen use a combination of traditional techniques and modern welding to bring these pieces back to life.
We are deeply honored to receive this Technical Achievement Award. Thank you.
As you can see, the tire is designed for heavy impact.
Does the propeller spin really fast?
Yes, it generates the thrust that moves the aircraft forward.
Watch as the legendary MiG-17 pulls through the apex of the loop and dives back toward the crowd line.
All right, let's reset that last movement. And rolling. Speed. Okay, gently tighten the wrench now.
Focusing on the international heritage significance, the deployment history of the MiG-17, shown here, covers extensive operations across this region.
The museum has become a vibrant hub, significantly boosting the local economy and drawing visitors from across the region.
We must ensure our restoration philosophy aligns with our core values of sustainability.
Absolutely. It's about long-term ecological.
The core best practices we identified are clear. We must emphasize regular communication and continuous feedback to
Let's examine two pivotal restoration projects. The Sistine Chapel, completed in 1994.
The past matters. By supporting history, we ensure that the lessons and legacies of those who came before us are never forgotten.
Great flight, everyone. Let's get this picture quickly before the sun goes down. Everyone ready? Big smiles!
Looking back, every tear, every step of the fight brought us to this moment of triumph.